Okay, so in this first section we're going to start with how to graph our inequalities. First thing we need to know in order to graph our inequalities is what the symbols are and then what we're going to be using them for. So this first symbol here represents is less than, and this one means is greater than. When we graph these on the number line, we're going to use an open circle on the number that is given. Here we have a less than or equal to, and then greater than or equal to. When we graph this on the number line, we're going to close that circle in because that number is going to be included. Alright, so our first example says x is greater than 3. First thing I'm going to do is mark 3 on my number line, and then I want to determine if I'm using an open circle or a closed circle. Because my symbol here says greater than, and my greater than symbol uses that open circle, I'm going to put an open circle on 3. Now I need to shade all of the values that will make x true. So for x to be greater than 3, I need to include numbers such as 4, 5, 6, and so on, continuing. And those numbers are on the right of that 3 on the number lines. I'm going to shade everything to the right of 3. And I also want to include that arrow at the end because that tells me that my x can be any number all the way up to infinity. Okay, how about you try those next 5 problems on your worksheet?